Hello, so I'm Sophie Proust. I'm the CTO of ATOS, so I'm taking care of what R&D investment we are doing in ATOS and also driving the skills, the expertise within the company. I think on technology there's a lot to do. I can't say it stresses me. It's mostly very interesting, very fascinating, but we have to handle how everything is getting articulated. So maybe understanding this and projecting ourselves in the future is one of the big challenges. Absolutely, the world is completely changing. Now we're going to gather more and more insight of the physical world. We're having what we call digital twin. That is, we are mapping with digital technology our physical world. So we have a lot of sensors everywhere, and all those sensors bring data to normally what we call edge computing, and then we treat this data at the periphery, near the physical world, so that we can get insight out of the data. So there's more and more sensors that we can apply to the physical world to drive data and make some analysis. I can take the example on the manufacturing side, when we want to understand how machines are working, are they correctly functioning? And so we can do, for example, predictive maintenance if we see that a failure is coming. So this is becoming more and more real. I think it would be more on the treatment that we are doing over the data. How do we analyze it? If, for example, you have an AI model that doesn't take into account this kind of situation because it never met it, then it will make a wrong analysis and make you take the wrong decision. That is why in AI, you always have to continue having business people that are aware of the meaning of the data, consolidate the model. So it's always an interaction that we have to make sure that we take the right decision out of the data. Yes, of course. This is a very important topic because technology is transforming some of the work. We are adding more and more automation into the workplace. So when automation simplifies the work, we need to make sure that the people who were handling that by hand will upskill so they can do other tasks. Well, today machines are not able to feel things, they're not able to have emotions, they're able to treat a lot of data. And that's where artificial intelligence is very important, because artificial intelligence can treat massive data, where for human beings it's more complicated. So we are mostly looking at having artificial intelligence augment human, help us to take decisions, but the decisions has always to be taken by a human being. Well, I think, it's always very important to have skilled and knowledgeable people. It's always a matter of collective intelligence. So you need to have understanding of the situations from different angles, and I think this is the best way to treat difficult questions and to avoid risk. We need to understand why we want to change, first of all. You want to change because you want to improve your business outcome, or you want to change because you want to train your people, because technology needs more training. And when you understand why you want to change, then generally you get the answer of how to change.